Hi, how are y'all doing today? I'm doing well. I have a very exciting video today. If you're following Colourpop, the makeup brand, I've been using their products for years, and I just recently saw that they came out with a Legend of Korra collab. So if you ever watched Avatar: The Last Airbender, if you haven't, first of all, watch it. You're missing out. I can remember like when it first aired on like Nickelodeon. Like I can remember watching the pilot episode as a child, and I was hooked from then on out. And then a few years later, The Legend of Korra came out, and it's gotten mixed reviews, but I think it's great, and I hope that they continue the show in the future with more avatars. But anyway, I saw this collection launch, and I was like, I have to have that. Like, that is a must. So I ordered most of it. I think there's like just a few things I didn't get, but I actually got like most of the collection. Let's go ahead and just open everything. So it came in a package like this. It actually came in today. Like, I put everything I was working on hold to like do this. Let's do the big one last. This one kind of fell out of the packaging. So this is the Legend of Korra Colourpop Chrome Liquid Eyeshadow in Water. They had one for each of the elements. You know, your girl here, if I was in the Avatar universe, I would be a waterbender 100%. I think my husband would be like an earthbender. He gives me earthbender vibes. So anyway, let's go ahead and swatch this on the hand. Oh my god. Oh, that's freaking stunning. Look at that. Oh my god. When I shifted it this way, hold on. It shifted like purple, but it's not. When I'm looking at it, it's like a blue purple, and on camera it looks like super teal. The duochromes in this are freaking out of this world, my guy. Packaging is cute. What is it? Naga? Is that her polar bear dog's name? It's been a while since I watched Korra. This is the French Kiss Lip Cream in Loyal Friend. They had another one that I think was inspired after Pabu, which was like the red panda. They need to have one after freaking Asami's lip color, because her lip color is out of this mind stunning. So this looks like a nude mauve kind of color. Packaging is super cute. Absolutely adorable. This packaging is cute. So this is in that Loyal Friend. It doesn't really have a smell to me. So let's swatch her. Oh, that's beautiful. That is a beautiful lip shade right there. Let's do this next. Graphics ink liner, and this is in the shade Korrasami. You know who Colourpop is shipping. Oh! My anxiety has been like really bad the past few days, to where I've had like butterfingers, and I just keep dropping everything. Like I can't control it. This comes in a little tube like this, and I think that this is like a periwinkle. It says shake well before use. Let's go ahead and do that. And oh, the short end is the product and the long end's the brush. My bad. So let's go ahead and swatch this. Oh, that is a cute color. Oh, it's like a little, like a light blue periwinkle. That'll be cute for some spring looks. I've got two more things in here. Actually, guess I didn't order as much of it as I thought I did. This is a lot bigger than I thought it was going to be. This is the highlighter, and the packaging is so cute. There's one side, and it's got like a lot of the spirit creatures, and then the other side. And this is a highlighter. Look, it's like the size of my face. Like, this is massive. So let's go ahead and open this. Oh my god, the packaging. You can see the skylight of Republic City. Oh my god, that's so cool. Oh, let me open up the other side real quick and see if there's... Yes, and then... So that looks like Republic City, and then the other side it looks like maybe like the North Pole, or... Is Korra from the North or South Pole? I can't remember. Oh my god. That is so dope. Oh, you can see inside of it. You can see like Republic City in there. That is really cool. I don't think oh, okay, it's on all the packaging. I just noticed it on that one. I like the other packaging details, like with Korra and Naga on the side. So here's the highlighter. I don't know why, but this is like reminiscent of like Polly Pocket. Like it's giving me like Polly Pocket 90s vibes. Really cute. Spirit Wilds. Wow. I think it's kind of like meant to be about the harmonic convergence, like everything being in harmony and equals, like vibes towards the end of The Legend of Korra. And it's got like all the colors of like the rainbow, like the spirit vibes. I'm super curious to see how this one swatches with like all the colors that are in it. Let me try to get a... It's absolutely stunning. Completely and totally stunning. Oh, it feels so smooth. Oh my god, this is freaking beautiful. Let's do it right here. Oh, it's like a rose gold. Oh my god, it's like a peachy rose gold. We got the highlighter, the lip color, we got a graphic liner, we got a liquid eyeshadow, and we got the biggest boy for last. Oh, I'm dropping stuff. We got the palette. Oh my gosh. That is just so stunning. Like, see, it reminds me of like a DVD. Like, I feel like I just received like book 1 of Korra like on DVD. And like the art on it, if I can get it to focus. I love the reflective in the back there. And then on the back side, it's got all the shade names and stuff. So the actual palette is going to be in here. I'm going to slide her on out. Oh my god, it's like a book. Look. Oh, so if they ever did any more like Legend of Korra or Avatar stuff, this is absolutely the way to do it. This is so stunning. Oh my god, it's literally... Oh, look, even down to the gold on the side you open. And like this side being like a book. Oh. And it feels so sleek. Oh my god. Let's open it up and look at the colors in person. There's going to be the thing. We're going to take that out. We'll get a true first impressions. What? Are you serious? Look at that. Oh my god. It smells like makeup. Like in a good way. Oh my god. I love this view of like Korra. She's standing on like the railing looking over Republic City, and the pan sizes. Let's talk about, like, here's my thumb. Like these are huge. Are you kidding me? Look at that. Okay. So I feel they have kind of like, I like what they've done here. They've got like water bending, earth bending, air bending, and fire bending all in the corners with like the correlating colors, and then on each side of it they've got colors to kind of like go with everything. Like if you mark off like this bit, you can see here's some good green tones, and then like right here, here's like a good palette, and then down here, good for the fall. Like they've got the quadrants all laid out to where this is just a very usable palette. Like the colors, oh my gosh, and they've got a good balance. Duh, like Avatar balance. I'm so stupid. Of all the matte and shimmer shades, like right off the bat, I'm seeing a nice group of mattes. I like how these for the elements are matte, and then the water is like a blue, and it's got like a slight shimmer to it in person. And then there's some really shimmery shades through here. And then there's like some mattes. I'm very curious about this shade here. This one's like a dark, and then it's got some red in it. So I'm curious how that one swatches. But anyway, I'm going to go ahead and swatch these down my arms. I'm just going to, it's going to take forever if we do it all here. So I'm just going to do these real quick. So here we have the shades. Let me try to get my arm out so you guys can see. Wow, look at the color payoff of all the shades right now. I swatched them like this so you can see them next to like their corresponding colors. I will say, swatching these, they are very true to Colourpop's brand. Like they are I feel like Colourpop's formulation of eyeshadows has always been like just really up there. And this one did not disappoint. It's right on there with like the swatches. Let's go ahead and do let's go ahead and try out some of this stuff. I'm probably going to do one eye with the cool tones and one with the warm tones. Actually, go ahead and do the warm tones first. So I'm going to go in with this airbending shade right here. I'm going to put that all on the outer eyelid. Sorry guys, I got a new camera stand recently and it's like 3 times bigger than the one that I had, and I'm still kind of getting used to filming with it. Alright, so this is very pigmented. Cute. We're gonna go in with balance. We're gonna do that kind of like right under the airbending shade. Oh lord, this one's pigmented. Did not know that was gonna happen. When you're doing swatches, it's always like, you think they're not as pigmented, and then you go to like apply them, and you think you're using a small amount, and it's like, haha, psych. I don't really have necessarily a plan. I'm just kind of playing with these colors just to see how they perform. I've got a little bit left in this Colourpop concealer. We're sticking to the theme of Colourpop, and we're gonna cut our crease with this thing. I'm going to start packing some shades in, so I think I'm going to do this bronzy one first. Let's go ahead and start packing that right here in the beginning. I'm going to go in with this one and then this one on the end. So this one is called Rebirth. And this one is called Harmony. I'm gonna go over some of them with like my fingers because I'm just curious to see. Oh wow, yeah. Yeah, the color payoff is a little bit better if you use your fingers. So we got one eye done. I know it looks a little messy. I'll clean it up here in a minute. Let's do this water bending shade here. And we're also going to take it and we're going to put it on the outside. I'm going to go in with this shade Change. It's like a navy blue, and I'm probably going to mess up the entire look with this because I don't actually know what I'm doing. But I'm going to take that and try to smoke along the bottom here. When I go into these videos with no earthly idea of what I'm going to do, it ends up being kind of a disaster because I haven't really put any thought of like how I'm gonna use these colors. I'm just like literally winging it. And then I'm gonna go in with this Rebel Spirit and I'm gonna put that in between through here. Oh, this is kind of turning out to be kind of cool. I just have kind of like a mess going on. The warm side is looking pretty decent though. I'm going to do the underneath of the warm side with this Pro Bender shade. Because I did notice when I was doing the swatches that this is the only one in the pan that really had like any fallout. It looks like a glittery black. Let's go ahead and take it and like smoke it up a little bit. I never do my eyeliner like this, or my eye looks. I'm like, I don't know what I'm doing right now, but I'm doing something. Actually looks kind of cool. Take our brush, we're going to take this Earthbending Matte shade. We're going to put it under here. Trying my hardest to like salvage this look, and I feel like I'm making it a lot worse. But anyway, when I play with new makeup, it never turns out pretty. It's always like scary like this. So let's go ahead and do the highlighter now. Let's go ahead and put that here and here. It's a very soft highlight, that's for sure. Put some highlighter on our face. Oh yeah, that's cute. When you put it on the face, it looks very like a champagne highlight. Oh, I forgot about the it's not like I'm gonna make this worse with anything I do, so let's just go ahead and pop this one here. I might have spoken too soon. I'm really bad at doing these liquid eyeshadows. I feel like I never get enough pigment on to where they look like how I think they're supposed to. So I'm gonna let that dry before I do the eyeliner. Let's go ahead and try the lip color. Very cute. Oh yeah. It's a very wearable nude, I feel like. Oh yeah. That's cute. Very soft, very, very cute. I don't like how this look came out. I'm gonna wipe this off and like redo it and off camera because I get really nervous when I film, so I'm gonna do something different with this eye. I'll be right back. Alright, so I came up with something to fix this eye. I did this shade up in the top and then this one under it, and then I cut the crease with concealer, and then I did these two green shades on the outer part, and then I did Air. And like, look at the pop of color on that one. That one was really good. And I also touched up the side a little bit and like cleaned it up a little better because it was getting kind of messy. I messily added some lashes on too. I'm just gonna take them right back off. But anyway, so there was the palette. Yeah, I'm really impressed with it. I love the pigment. This one is definitely could be a good fall vibes, and then this one just like really anytime. This side, the warm side, reminds me of the Sun Warrior tribe in Avatar that taught like Zuko and Aang firebending, and then this is giving like Water tribe moments, maybe even Swamp Bender with the green. But yeah, so anyway, that was everything that I got in the Avatar Legend of Korra collection. What did you guys think? What was your favorite thing in the collection? And if you made it this far, let me know down below, what bender would you be? I would be a water bender. But yeah, anyway, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye!